Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie a Windsor knot step by step. Now, the Windsor knot is a classic and elegant way to tie your tie. It's perfect for job interviews, for formal events, or just for looking great at the office. Now, don't worry, the Windsor knot is not as complicated as you may think. So let's get started. You're going to start with the wide end of the tie, the blade on the right hand side, and the narrow end, the tail, on the left. Now, make sure the blade comes down to your fingertips when your arm is out straight. The length is key to creating the iconic Windsor knot shape, and if you find the tie is too long or too short when you've finished, then this is the stage where you want to adjust the length. So we start off by crossing the wide end over the narrow end and passing the wide end, the blade, up the neck hole and down to the left. We pass the blade underneath, to the right, up and back down the neck hole. Pull it all the way through. So you want to have passed the blade once around the left side and once around the right side, and it's this symmetry that gives the Windsor knot its iconic shape. Next, bring the blade across the front horizontally from right to left, and this is where the Windsor knot really starts to take shape. We're going to then pass it up the back, pull it all the way through, and then tuck it down that loop at the front that we just created. Pull gently at the front to tighten the knot. Some people like to have a dimple in the knot, others don't. It's entirely up to you. If you want a dimple, you can just press the front of the tie and pinch it as you tighten the tie at the front, and that will lock the dimple in place. Then simply hold on to the tail, hold on to the knot, and then slide it up to the collar. And just check at this point it's neat and symmetrical, and there you have it, the perfect Windsor knot. So that's it, you've just learned how to tie the Windsor knot. Now, if you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, I will see you next time, and happy tying. Take care.